Hi, today we're going to be making some slime. And first of all, you need 1 cup of PVA glue. Oh. Gosh. Okay, right. Secondly, you need you need some shaving gel or shaving foam. You can use as much as you want. You need just a cup of that. Well, not clearly a cup, but just half of it. So I'm adding this in a second. This slime makes it really, really fluffy, this does. So now I'm going to add that. That's as much as you really need in there, just that. Then I'm just going to empty this in. Ooh. Okay, so now I'm going to mix it in. In a minute I might need a bit more, so yeah, just in case. If you want this really fluffy, then add a bit more. But you don't have to measure it in the cup. Well, because mine isn't that fluffy, I'm going to add a bit more. I think that'll be enough. So then I'll mix that in. Now I need some soap. You don't need this if you don't want it. You don't need to add it if you don't want to. I only add a few pumps. Okay, that'll be enough. This just makes it a bit stretchier. So now I'm going to be adding the food colouring. Well, this is actually rose pink spray for cakes. So, yeah. Looks so cool. So now I'm just going to add this in. Wow. It looks really pretty. Can you see? I'm going to add a bit more because that's not really the rose pink I was looking for. It's just a bit too pinky. I wanted a nice darky, pinky red kind of colour. So I'm just adding this. Wow, can you see that? Oh, that is kind of a good colour, yep. Just need to get it all mixed in. Okay. Right, that's good. And now, for my activator, I'm going to be using borax. You just need a tablespoon and a half.
Teaspoon.
Oh yeah, a teaspoon and a half. And just like about 600 on a glue jug. And then I've already got some pre-made, so I'm just going to add that. Ooh, ooh. Now, as you mix it all in, you should see it start to form, as I can now. And once it stops sticking to the side, it's just going to be a bit better. Then you can start going in with your hands. I'm going to start going in with my hands, I think. Yeah, I'm going to start going in with my hands. If you need more, then just add more. This one will be done, almost nearly done. So just keep mixing it. See, as this slime is just a bit sticky at the moment, so I just need to keep mixing it. So it's not as big as my other one that I made earlier. So you just need to keep mixing. As you can see, it's coming together better. Woo. I try and get everything out the bowl so it becomes a bigger slime. So, yeah. Now I'm going to put it on here and just mix it all. It's getting all stuck. And now I'm just going to put that... Oh. Okay, right, I'm just going to keep folding it in. Whoops, I think I've ruined the mat. It doesn't matter. Okay, so I'm just going to keep mixing. It's nearly all mixed in, as you can see. Ooh. Okay, just going to add a bit more borax, I think. I think I added a little less last time. So I just need to get it stop sticking to me. So there we go. I add a bit more. Hopefully it'll. Oh, got the lid stuck. Oh. Now I just need to keep mixing it all in. Oh my god, this slime is so sticky. Oh, I wish I'd rolled my sleeves up. Okay. Oh my god, where's my borax? Oh, can you help me? Please. It's really sticky. Just, yeah. Yeah. That's enough. Yeah. That's too much. It won't stretch. Alright, now this is going to be a really good slime. It was working earlier. Oh my god. Okay, right, it's coming together. It stopped sticking, thank God. As you can see, it's got really, really fluffy. It hasn't got really that much of scent, but it doesn't matter. So this is going to be nearly done now. I'm going to add a bit more dye, just so that's good. As you can see, it's kind of forming in. Hopefully this does not ruin my slime. Hopefully. Oh, now if I wash my hands, then it would look like it's not sticking to me, but now it does. So thanks for watching this video. Bye.